Welcome back to Battle for Boys! So, last time Team Boy was up for elimination, so let's get them eliminated. And Boy is eliminated with Boy. I don't know, I didn't count the votes. Excuse me. Well, yeah, Boy's eliminated. Bye-bye, Boy. Well, the next challenge will be very interesting. Next challenge is to press that button! Yeah, I put a button somewhere in the background. Just press it, and your team wins. The last team to press it loses. Go! Well, Team Boy lost once again, so that means Team Boy is out forever. But you can still vote. Vote on Boy. Yeah, those are the people you can vote for. Next episode will be really big. We will be merging both of the teams. Bye.